BalanceWare, next-generation trial balance software, designed for the pressures of a demanding tax season. Hello. Today we'll be exploring the bank feed dashboard, found in the Entries section of the Write-Up tab. This dashboard imports downloaded transactions from a client's online banking service. More and more businesses are utilizing online banking, to various degrees. At a minimum, you will always find a transaction download. More extensive services include invoicing and bill payment, and categorizing transactions. The fields required by the dashboard include a transaction date, some type of description, and amounts. If present in the download file, a check number, or reference number, and an account, or category code, can also be accommodated. The dashboard provides full editing capability, and after editing, the transactions are posted in batches, by month. Downloaded checks and charges are posted to cash disbursement batches, and journal entries are created for deposits. To demonstrate the features on the bank feed dashboard, we'll configure an import for our client's commercial checking account, import several downloads for different months, and add these transactions to the accounting journals. I have several actual bank download files, edited for privacy, which we will import, but let's open one just to get a quick look. Since the download format and column headings will differ by bank, we will be mapping these column headings on the Configuration tab. To configure an import, first, select the appropriate bank account. Next, browse to and select the download CSV or Excel file. The next section provides formatting for the amount field, or in some cases there may be a column for disbursements, and another for deposits. If all amounts are in a single column, there are two options for treating negative amounts. The default setting is usually appropriate, which treats positive numbers as deposits, and negative numbers as disbursements. With the final configuration step, the import column headers are mapped to the dashboard. The first import does have the optional category column, and also optional check numbers. The required fields are payee, and date. Next, the download file is imported to the dashboard, but only to the dashboard. The transactions are not journalized, at this point, providing an opportunity for review and edit, prior to updating. The Import button opens the Disbursements tab, where each transaction has a status and is available for editing. Most of our transactions show a status of OK, and we can use the Exceptions Only filter, to isolate the transactions requiring our attention. We have 3 transactions requiring check numbers and account numbers. We'll go ahead and assign account numbers, using the combo box, containing the chart of accounts. Check numbers are required and easy to add, using the Auto Assign button. The dashboard will automatically assign unique check numbers to all transactions, as required. Now, we have no exceptions, and the status for all disbursements is OK, so let's look at deposits. This tab works a little differently. First of all, check numbers are not required, but account numbers are. All of deposit transactions we imported to the dashboard require an account number. Next to the account number combo box is a button which will automatically assign accounts. The account assigned is selected in the combo box found in the Forms footer. Now, the status for all imported transactions is OK, and we'll use the Update button to create the journals. The Update button creates cash disbursement batches and journal entries for deposits, and opens the Results tab, showing the transactions in the bank feed, and the transactions posted. We can also open the journals from this tab. Let's do a second import to demonstrate another feature. We just finished importing January, so let's import February. After we browse and select the February import, notice the account number field is not present. The dashboard will attempt to auto-assign account numbers, based on import history which, in this case, is January. The only type of exception is the check number requirement, which we can resolve automatically. Also worth noting is the new status indicator for autofilled account numbers. Usually, deposits will require account numbers, because deposit rows on bank feeds do not contain the required information that can be associated with an account number. Okay. Let's update this import and move on. The final import we'll perform contains March, April and May and duplicated transactions from February. Let's see how the dashboard handles this scenario. On the Disbursement tab, the dashboard has detected the duplicate check numbers. But note, duplicate deposits are not detected, like this one dated in February, which was included in the previous February import. And back on the Disbursements tab, the February service fee also remains undetected. Therefore, it is important to either ensure your bank feeds are dated correctly, or make a thorough review of the transactions on the dashboard. The duplicate check transactions will not be updated, but service fee needs to be deleted. Let's finish this import and look at the results. As expected, not all of the imported transactions were updated, because of the duplicate check numbers. Importing multiple months resulted in 3 disbursement batches, and 3 cash receipt journal entries, one for each month, which are clickable links to the journals. Before we conclude, let's take a quick look at the general ledger, to drill down on these imported transactions. The bank account shows each deposit, and the total for the disbursement batches, by month. The sales account, where we posted the receipts, also shows each deposit. And the expense accounts include date, check number, payee and amount, as you might expect. That concludes our 3-minute bank feed video, and we trust you find this feature useful in your practice. Thanks for watching. We hope you find our 3-minute videos informative. Visit us on the web for the latest developments. Why not download our 30-day free trial? And please, let us know what you think. We value your feedback. Till next time, this is Tex Tilson for BalanceWare. Powerful tools to help you manage engagements.